have more show for you. Today we are going to unbox our new fan. So, this big. Okay, we have two fans. Each 75. Don't mind language. This is the fan inside. Then one manual and one manual to charge. Okay, this is the manual. By the way, I did already. This window light, window light. This is the 402. This is old cable. Type C. And this is the fan.
Wow.
Let's open again. Another one. Same thing. Same thing. In the same color.
뭐 불지가 키내기야?
So they seal here. We will remove this seal. New. Okay. Because I need place. This is a fan Sanford from Japan. You know, the rush. This is 1, 2, 3 speed, and we have light. We have 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is the very bright. The fan speed goes to 3 blades instead of the light. So this is not full off. 1, 2, 3. We will unseal another one also. So first we have to charge for 6 hours. So only if we run the fan, it will work until 15 hours. If you run only light, it will work until 20 hours. This is the fan. Its brand is Sanford. It's from Japan. Okay. You can see the details. Fan charging time 6 hours. Working time up to 15 hours. Okay. 12 volt.
Thank you, Ramdai. Thank you very much.